Everybody has a variety of how they manage to make it out of the house to start the day. Some people enjoy waking up 2 hours before they need to leave and going for a run. Others like to sleep in until the last minute, throw on some clothes that may be slightly dirty, and get out of the house within 10 minutes. Not everybody is a morning person. I need 10 more minutes. The reason you should have a healthy start to your day is because every morning is the foundation upon which the rest of your day is built. Now, creating your morning habits is easy to talk about. How do you put your words into actions? To help you out, I have 3 things you can do every morning to make your day a little bit easier. Tip number 1, oil invigorate. This may be difficult for some people at first, but it definitely pays off. Doing some physical activity every morning gets the juices flowing, giving you a natural boost. You can do yoga, take a walk, morning neighbor, or exercise at home. If you can't bring yourself to exercise in the morning, try meditating to help you through whatever the day brings. Tip number 2, avoid screens. Whether you scroll through the many happenings on social media, check your email, or try to squeeze in an episode of your favorite new show, try to start your day without screens. We waste so much time looking at screens in the morning. Take a little break from screens for a healthier start to your day. Tip number 3, organize. This is hard to do in the morning. Rather than rushing around to make breakfast, take a shower, prep your lunch, or do last-minute workout assignments, do these things at night. If you do all these things the night before, you'll have more time to be awake and enjoy your mornings. Thanks for watching. I'm Jasmine, and I'll see you guys next time.